Can your body endure this type of work? Are you tired of heavy lifting and the daily grind of working on concrete and hardscapes to rip out and replace old concrete? Or to apply topical solutions requiring personal protection equipment, only to have to do it again and again? Consider becoming an OXO certified applicator to add to your existing business line or to start a new career. We are looking for new applicators to license with an opportunity to market the OXO product line within their existing business or to start a new business for themselves. While we cannot make any promises on income or profit, our business model projects income starting at thousands of dollars a day. Why not be the first one in your market? You will have first to market advantages and first position for the best jobs in your market area. To get started, use our contact form to request a callback at oxoh2o.com. We rehabilitate and protect your concrete. We are OXO H2O Solutions. Visit us at oxoh2o.com.